Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Nowadays, some countries encourage people to buy more and more products, which is good for economy, while others believe it is bad for the society. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Promoting consumerism is for the purpose to accelerate the sale and purchase, resulting in economic growth. The sale and purchase is increased purposefully, therefore, the buyers are motivated to be the part of it. However, it also threatens the saving capacity of people, besides bringing materialistic culture in which focus is on more possessions, resulting in environmental degradation. To start with the reasons to encourage buyers, a huge number of buyers means more demand, which brings benefits to businesses as they increase their production. Consequently, the job creation and the business expansion are the common outcomes of the same, which boosts the economy. The companies compete to provide better products and services at an affordable price, which favors the consumers. In addition to, the innovation is also flourished in such consumer-driven markets. Apart from the companies, the revenue of the government also increases in the form of taxes to different categories at different levels. On the contrary, overspending to show off causes financial instability, which sometimes brings buyers under debt. It may make a hole in their pockets, which causes stress and kills peace, as the societal values turns towards material wealth rather than personal peace and harmony. Besides, the companies indulge in more production, which leads to the depletion of resources as well as degrades the environment, further posing a significant threat to sustainability. In conclusion, although there is need to have consumerism, yet the responsible consumption is equally required. There is need to have balanced approach so that the government should encourage sustainable practices, ethical production, and financial awareness to ensure that economic benefits do not come at the cost of long-term societal well-being. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.